Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the new core concepts of the integers in this part 3 video. So before going to the part 3, ensure your baseline knowledge is solid. Scan the QR code or visit the YouTube URL https colon youtu.be/t7u9chzg capital LWG to watch the part 2 recap video. Now, are you finding the integers very hard? Then this is the right video so that you will be able to learn all the operations by which are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in a very easy manner for an integers especially. And we'll be having at the end an interactive quiz also. So let's go on. So this is universal thumb rule. So that if you multiply plus and plus, it gives you plus. Plus and minus gives you minus. Minus and plus gives you minus. And minus into minus gives you plus. Same signs create a positive, opposite signs create a negative. This is the final definition which will be told. This can be worked in multiplication and division, but we can even use it in addition and subtraction too. So operation 1, this is the addition. So addition represents the continuous movement, means the sum of this two or more integers. Combining positive and negative means moving in opposite directions. So this is the actual real definition which I have given you. Yeah, if you have $6 in your bank, but you want to add a new debit of $9, so your net reality is now $3 in debit. What we are doing here means, no, 6 plus of minus 9 equal to, how to do? So you have shown here plus and minuses are there, no? So you will be having 6 plus into minus 9 equal to. We are able to do the subtraction, right? 9 minus 6. So you will be doing the normal subtraction. Then you will be seeing which is the big number. Here 9 is the big number. So the sign of 9 goes to the result. So 6 minus 9 equal to minus 3. Like that you can continue for this sum also. Plus into minus is minus. So it becomes minus 3 and minus 4. Now you know that minus of minus is plus now. So you should add them both. So minus 3 minus 4 means 4 plus 3 it becomes. So 4 plus 3 is 7. And what is the big number here? Minus 3. So sign of minus 3 is minus no. So that's why the result is minus 7. And same way if you can do for this one also. And these both will be your homework. And next we'll be going to the second operation, which is subtraction. It is almost the same for addition only, but here we will be removing some value from a target value. So this is the reality. If the ambient temperature is minus 3 degrees, if you subtract a localized cold draft of minus 4 degrees, overall room temperature actually goes up. Now for example, now here knowledge check. Now minus into minus is plus. So 6 plus 9 it becomes. What is 9 plus 6? It is 16. And what is a bigger number? 9. So the sign of 9 comes here. So it is plus 16. If you want, you can repeat for this also. Minus into minus is plus. Minus 3 plus 4. Which is equal to 4. You can do plus into minus is minus, no. Because we have learned the thumb rule before. So that's why you should subtract them. So what you will be getting? 1. And what is the big number here? 4, right? So 4 is the big number and its sign is plus. So the answer is plus 1. And these both are your homework. Third one, the multiplication rule. So multiplication is a rapid scaling. This is like, if you multiply minus into minus integer into minus integer, you'll be getting a positive. And if you multiply plus into plus, it gives a plus. But the different things like minus into plus, it gives you minus. Plus into minus, it gives you minus. And this is the important one which we here is there. Now see, here minus 9 into 6 we have done for the score. Now what we are doing, we are going to multiply a minus integer into a positive integer. So what is minus into plus? It is minus, and 9 6 becomes 54. And here if you want, I'll be showing you these two sums. So what is minus 6 into minus 9, right? So what is plus into minus? Minus 6 9s are 54. So as usual, the answer is 54. Now minus into minus becomes plus. 3 4s are 12. So like that you will be doing, and these are your homework. Now we'll be going to the last operation, which is the division. So division is like, separating a total into these smaller groups. So if you want to give $300 penalty to 3 of the members, then you will be dividing them, right? So like that, now we will be doing our knowledge check. So first, we will be taking plus divided by plus into minus, it is minus, right? And you will be taking 6 by 9. 6 by 9 becomes 3 2 3s are 3 3 2s are 3 3s are. So answer would be 2 by 3. Like that only, minus into minus becomes plus in the second sum, and you will be doing 4 by 3 by 4. That's it. You get your answer. If it is any wrong, you can tell me by commenting me. But this is the correct one. Now this is the glance. You can take the glances at this image. The integer operations are, separated into these types. So now these are also used in the real world signals, like mapping actually. So now if you look at the glance at this image, you can understand everything. And remember, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus, because they're odd signs. But if they're same signs, then minus into minus becomes plus, and plus into plus becomes plus. Now if you want, try this interactive quiz of this session by scanning this QR code or visiting the link. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and click the bell icon for to be getting notified. And we have completed, so the operation is mastered. Now we'll be waiting for you to meet in the part 4, and at that time we'll be learning about the properties of the integers. That will be the end of our subject. Thank you and have a nice day.